home. You must go home. You have to go home. Do that. Do that. Do that.
What I gonna do now? What I gonna do now? What I gonna say now about Messi? What I gonna say now, hypocrite? What I gonna say down? Messi, what I gonna do now? What I gonna say now? You don't have this survivement for years. What I gonna say now? Golden Boot, World Cup, the world greatest player in the world. Different from Maradona.
Hey, Satan, on the time up, you know. Workers of iniquity on the time up, you know. Hope you worker on the time up, you know. Righteousness come to take over. Righteousness govern the world. Anthony Cruz, blaze it. Move on.
Argentina, no friendly. How much side we kill when we ready? Many. Spread the news and go tell Messi. Tell Popcorn Bunty, tell Messi.
Hi, this is Anything But Monday, and you're in the mix with DJ Slick.
Anything but Monday.
Grand rising to each and everyone, right? And this is Ross Fraser Jr. telling everyone out there, have a wonderful day and a progressive day, right? Never let no one stop you, okay? You see me? And also, grand rising to all of the hypocrite and the bad mind people, you see me? Without honor, I wouldn't be so strong. Big up.
Greetings, viewers and subscribers. Welcome back to another episode of DJ Slick 44 Music News. Remember to like, share, subscribe. Viewers and subscribers, let us check out some new singles and music video before we go in it.
Go in your bedroom, clean, let me go in it. Been a go on, I'm still a go on. Wine light, make me parents give me out of the yard. But me safe on the land, me not go live like no dog.
You know no time to beg no girl and no you that. You bless, hallelujah. Big Lou a hold the man and no hope ya.
Fuss if you know, the 45 and no half time. Make them know say it costs money for the boss time.
Love him magnum, but juju without no head a one night stand. And in the year, I jump up and swear. Cause you have your career, you not depend on man.
You can leave barbershop, I don't know. Baddest barber West Kingston. So whenever you're in West Kingston, come to Lee Barbershop. Remember that. Yeah. See it? Seeing is believing. Lee's Barbershop. And the baddest barber in West Kingston, people. You see him? Tommy Lee.
Yeah.
Man will give the baddest haircut. You see him? Yeah, Mr. Lee.
Bless.
Hey, what's up? It's your girl Jada Kingdom, aka Twinkle, aka the Eastside Queen. Sting. December the 26th, Plantation Cove, Prairie Scent and Loud. Okay, you don't know the Eastside gonna be there performing live, don't it? Fiddle, no fit like that. You have to fight back. Let me tell you that. For sitting on my mingle, not take no chat. Boy, I meet ya. You boy, if you never get my card, then I hold. You for glad say your dick got used. I put it down on the wrong one. Sting December the 26th. Come on, come vibe.
Yeah, my people, morning again, you know. Hear me say, man, Sting 2022, you know, night day. You coulda run in the two. Me a search for him, knock it for true. For real, murder. You know the program.
Martin, Sting! You know, yours truly, Christopher Martin, will be performing on Monday, December the 26th. Live at Plantation. You know, say, how about that? Down at Orchard side, right? Yeah, down at Senton. It's gonna be nice, it's gonna be lovely. Make sure you're forward. Sweet sugar reggae. It's gonna be nice. Can't wait to see you all. Cause remember, when you are par with me, a good time is guaranteed. Monday, December the 26th. Come check me out. Martin and Dawson to the fullest. Peace.
Yo,
Slick 44. Link him anytime no one made that dub plate. You hear that?
Yeah, my people, you don't know. Mayday DC.
2009, I came out and said, what could I possess a man for turn a AK-47 upon a young woman and have the heart to send her go to Neverland? Me have a question. When you kill half the woman, them want to do? What could I possess a youth for lick down a baby mother and her little youth? Look how she beg him and a plea, but him still a shoot and come back on the corner and a laugh like him thinks say cute. No man, them brother are mad. Jamaica, when you read the news, it no make you sad. And 13 years after, we still address the same issue. Blood clot, beer things happen and nobody not talk. And some of the killer them a move so dark. Cause when them a hunt like hawk, no woman and no kids can walk, make me cuss blood. Yo, why is it after 13 years we still address the same issue? Why are we still killing off women and kids? Ask yourself that question before you pull the trigger next time.
Tell your friend from now, say I will never kill my friend.
Yo, Love Star. You know, drop a bad album. Reggae still alive, never dead. You're crazy. Hurry up and drop the album. Reggae still alive, people. When it drop, I want to make sure so they get it more seat on every chart. When I say every chart, every single one of them. I'll chart when I have nothing to do with music. More seat on it. Crazy. Love Star. What you waiting on?
And you're in the mix with DJ Slick.
Anything but Monday.